मुसलमानों की यूनिटी के लिए बनी पार्टी
This is not done.
In today's world, as mainstream media spins stories for higher TRPs and social platforms are rampant with fake news, history gets misinterpreted and new narratives get manufactured. Amidst this chaos, it is important for us to decode myths and fictitious narratives created with the agenda to spread hate and propaganda. Myth number 1. The Mughals were mean rulers who hated Hindus and destroyed their temples. Temple destruction happened, but not because they hated Hindus. Historians say it was more about politics than religion.
हिंदुस्तान के बाहर भी अगर देखिए तो मध्यकाल में जो रिलीजियस एस्टेब्लिशमेंट्स थे उनको डैमेज पहुंचाया गया है, कहीं चर्च, कहीं मॉस्क, कहीं कुछ, ये सब हुआ है। लेकिन साथ ही साथ ये भी समझना चाहिए कि ये जितनी बर्बादी हुई वो सब धार्मिक वजह से नहीं हुई है, उसका कुछ राजनीतिक कारण भी था। अब जैसे आप सोमनाथ की बात करें तो वहाँ समझ में आती है बात कि वहाँ कहते हैं कि वहाँ बहुत संपत्ति थी तो उसको लूटने के लिए किया गया, लेकिन बहुत जगह ऐसा नहीं था। बहुत जगह था कि जो हम किसी जगह का मंदिर इसलिए तोड़ेंगे कि वहाँ के राजा का वो कुल देवता है या उसको लेजिटिमेसी प्रोवाइड करता है, तो उसको उठा के ले लिया। जैसे साउथ इंडिया में ऐसे कई एग्जाम्पल्स हैं।
In fact, Mughal kings such as Shah Jahan celebrated art beyond faith. Myth number 2. The Mughals erected temples in Azerbaijan. Actually, Azerbaijan was never under the Mughal rule. Azerbaijan was ruled by Mongols, not Mughals. The temple's demise was a result of industrial development in the 19th century, not Mughal conquest. And what about Aurangzeb? Was he really anti-temple?
तो जब दो हिंदू राजा आपस में लड़ते थे तो जीतने वाला हिंदू राजा हारने वाले हिंदू राजा के कुल देवता के मंदिर को तोड़कर खुद का कुल देवता मंदिर वहां बनाता था। जीतने वाला राजा हारने वाले राजा का अपमान करता था।
Aurangzeb's reign was complex. While he did levy controversial taxes and demolish certain temples, he also supported Hindu temples financially and granted them state protection.
Despite communal violence at various occasions and also some communal discrimination which existed, there was a lot of coexistence and the development of composite culture. And when foreigners came here, they did not see the Muslims oppressing Hindus. They were generally surprised at the religious multiplicity without any trouble in India, how everyone had adjusted itself. Even in Aurangzeb's time, foreigners thought that in India every religion was tolerated.
So next time someone paints Mughals as villains, remember to dig deeper. It is important to follow the news cycle, and social media is synonymous to regular living. However, it is also important to fact check and save ourselves from mindless propaganda so that we can delve into the truths of history and historical figures. CJP is dedicated to busting myths like these that seek to divide the nation on the basis of fake news and propaganda. Let's keep questioning, keep learning, and let's understand our past together with CJP.